Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Whitehead Remover Tools is probably one of the most sought-after skincare gadgets for anyone looking to achieve a clearer, smoother complexion, offering a convenient and effective way to tackle those stubborn whiteheads and blackheads right in the comfort of your own home, transforming your skincare routine and boosting your confidence with visibly improved skin texture and reduced blemishes. Number 5. JPNK Blackhead Remover Comedone Extractor Acne Removal Kit. Are you struggling with persistent blackheads and blemishes? Our kit is designed to help you achieve clearer skin. This tool offers a gentle yet effective way to extract comedones and acne. It's designed for ease of use and maximum results. Say goodbye to imperfections and hello to smoother, healthier-looking skin. Achieve a refined complexion with consistent use. Get professional quality results in the comfort of your own home. This kit provides the tools you need for effective skincare. It's your ultimate solution for tackling blackheads and acne. Invest in your skin and reveal its natural radiance. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for various skin concerns. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability and hygiene. If you are looking for a complete set to tackle blackheads, whiteheads, and pimples, this is a great choice for at-home spa treatments. What people say. The tool is easy to hold and control, making it simple to use on different areas of the face. It effectively removes blackheads and whiteheads without causing excessive redness or irritation. The set includes various tools with different tip shapes, allowing for targeted treatment of various blemishes. Number 4. LED Headlamp 2-Pack. This headlamp provides practical brightness perfect for close and medium-range tasks. It's designed for a variety of activities like running, camping, and household use, ensuring clear visibility. Powered by AAA batteries, this device ensures you always have light, even when charging isn't an option. Simply swap the batteries and continue your activity without interruption. It features 7 lighting modes, including a white beam, strobe, and a red light for preserving night vision. You can easily adjust the tilt to direct the light precisely where you need it. Weighing only about 3 ounces with batteries, it's incredibly lightweight. The adjustable and washable headband ensures a comfortable fit for extended wear, suitable for both adults and children. This weather-resistant headlamp is built to withstand rain and light impacts. You get a convenient 2-pack, making it ideal for emergency kits, camping gear, or as backup lighting at home. What we like. This offers practical brightness for close and medium-range tasks, perfect for any outdoor or repair activity. It runs on AAA batteries, ensuring power is always available. If you need reliable lighting for camping, running, or emergency kits where charging isn't an option, this is your go-to. What people say. The stainless steel material is durable and easy to clean. The different sized loops and needles are effective for various types of blackheads and whiteheads. The ergonomic design of the tools provides a good grip and control during use. Number 3. GUGUG Skin Scrubber Face Spatula. Introducing the GUGUG Skin Scrubber, your new essential for a truly deep facial cleanse. Achieve clearer, smoother skin with this advanced pore cleaner. Tired of stubborn blackheads? This tool makes removal effortless, leaving your pores refined and your complexion revitalized. It's designed for effective and gentle extraction. Experience the versatility of 4 distinct modes tailored to your skin's needs. From deep cleansing to gentle exfoliation, it adapts to provide the best care. Utilizing advanced facial spatula technology, it gently lifts away impurities and dead skin cells. Reveal a brighter, more radiant appearance with each use. This sleek white device is not only effective but also a stylish addition to your skincare routine. Enjoy professional-level treatments in the comfort of your home. Unlock your skin's true potential with this innovative beauty tool. It's the perfect solution for anyone seeking a healthier, more vibrant complexion. What we like. This device provides 4 distinct modes for comprehensive facial care, including deep cleansing and gentle exfoliation. It utilizes ultrasonic vibrations to effectively remove impurities. If you desire a multifunctional tool to achieve clearer, smoother skin at home, this facial scrubber is an excellent option. What people say. The tool is easy to use and comes with a variety of needle types for different purposes. It effectively removes blackheads and whiteheads without causing excessive pain or irritation. The stainless steel material is durable and easy to clean. Number 2. BESTOPE Blackhead Remover Tool. Tired of stubborn blackheads and pimples? Discover the ultimate solution for clearer skin. This tool is designed for efficient removal of blackheads, whiteheads, and blemishes. Achieve a smoother complexion with ease. Our extractor provides a gentle yet effective way to treat imperfections. It's a must-have for your skincare routine. Keep your tool protected and organized with the included durable metal case. Perfect for storage and travel. Say goodbye to frustrating breakouts and hello to visibly clearer skin. This is your secret weapon for a flawless appearance. Take control of your skin's health with this essential beauty tool. It's an investment that pays off with a radiant complexion. What we like. This tool is designed for professional level extraction, ensuring effective removal of blemishes. It comes in a convenient metal case for storage and portability. If you're seeking a durable and precise instrument for treating blackheads and pimples, this option provides excellent value and performance. What people say. The tool is very effective at removing blackheads and whiteheads with minimal discomfort. The different sized loupes and needles allow for precise extraction of various types of blemishes. The stainless steel material is durable and easy to clean, ensuring hygienic use. Number 1. Seki Edge Blackhead Remover SS801. Introducing the Seki Edge Blackhead Remover, your ultimate solution for clear skin. This professional tool is designed for effective and hygienic removal of blackheads and comedones. Crafted for precision, this Comedone extractor features 2 hole sizes to tackle blackheads of all types. Achieve professional results right at home. Don't just treat, prevent. Use this versatile tool as a preventive acne measure to keep your pores clear and skin blemish-free. Its design ensures a gentle application, minimizing discomfort while maximizing effectiveness. It's the perfect addition to your skincare routine for maintaining healthy-looking skin. Say goodbye to stubborn blackheads and hello to smoother, clearer skin. This essential tool makes pore extraction simple and efficient. What we like. This extractor features 2 different hole sizes for versatile blackhead and pimple removal. Its professional design aims to prevent future breakouts by properly clearing pores. If you are looking for a high-quality, precise tool to manage acne and maintain clear skin, this is a highly recommended choice. What people say. The stainless steel material is durable and easy to clean. Comes with a variety of tools for different types of blemishes. The pointed end is precise for extracting blackheads effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.